Have you ever paused to ponder why some products or services seem to fulfill needs you didn't even know you had? The secret behind this uncanny ability lies in a process known as design thinking. Design thinking is an innovative approach that marries empathy, creativity, and rationality to solve complex problems. It's a process that transforms the way people approach challenges, opening up a myriad of solutions that may not be immediately apparent. Let's embark on a journey to understand design thinking step by step. The first stage in this process is empathize. Here, the goal is to understand the needs, motivations, and frustrations of the people for whom you're designing. This stage is all about observing, engaging, and immersing yourself in the user's experience to understand their perspective. Following the empathy stage comes define. In this stage, you take the insights gathered from the empathize stage and use them to define the problem you are trying to solve. It's about synthesizing the information and articulating the user's needs and requirements. The third stage is ideate. This is where you generate a wide range of creative ideas to solve the defined problem. It's all about brainstorming, looking at the problem from different angles, and encouraging divergent thinking to come up with as many solutions as possible. Then comes the prototype stage. This is where ideas are transformed into tangible products or services. It's a stage of experimentation, where solutions are created, tested, and refined. Finally, we have the test stage. Here, the prototypes are tested with the users to gain feedback and insights. This information is then used to refine the solutions and, if necessary, redefine the original problem. In summary, design thinking is a 5-step process that starts with understanding the user's needs, defining the problem, brainstorming solutions, creating prototypes, and then testing these solutions. It's a cyclical process, and each step informs the next, allowing for continuous iteration and improvement. The power of design thinking lies in its user-centric approach. It encourages looking at problems from the user's perspective, fostering solutions that are not only innovative but also deeply empathetic. It's a process that transforms challenges into opportunities, making it a powerful tool for entrepreneurs, innovators, and anyone looking to solve complex problems. Remember, design thinking is not just a process, it's a mindset. A mindset that embraces empathy, encourages creativity, and champions rationality.